A few moments later.
What's up, guys? Welcome to No Pros RC. And as you can see, this is very much fun, but I need a lot of practice with drifting this car. I don't have too much space to work with. As you can tell, I mean, it's good enough space for what it is, but I just need a lot more space. But we're going to keep working with it, keep practicing, and you know, practice makes perfect. So stay tuned for the next video, and if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that notification bell is on so you know when we drop new videos. Also, make sure you're following us on no.pros.rc so you know you can get the inside info on what's coming up on the channel. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one. This RC drift fail video. I hope you enjoyed it, but anyway, y'all be easy. Peace.